See a couple of mermaids over here in Puerto Rico. Drinking some pineapple pina coladas.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh my God, you drink our drinks? What the heck? See how stingy my wife is?
I am not stingy.
She's not. We got Chase jumping off the up here too. These are Coast Guard housing here on the base in Aguadilla. Kitchen. It's not a bad little spot. Washer and dryer, stuff like that. Outside, can't really see nothing, but it's like a little outside patio kind of type deal. Microwave, all that good stuff. Not too shabby. Fridge. Not sure if there's anything in there, no? It's empty. Anyway, this is the den. I'm in the living room with TV. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 little bunk beds. That's where Sean and Michelle, Chase stayed last night. Another little bedroom that somebody could use if they wanted to use or whatever. Nice little closet. Go in. Water heater. And here's the master bedroom with all the magic happened last night. Me and Adrian's stuff. So just got back from Ponce and I'm just chilling. So get ready to go out to eat tonight. All right, there she blows. Bang. Awesome sunset. What you think? What you think, huh? Cool. You know, they see it good through this lens. It's pretty good. See the moon. I think Sean said that was Venus or something like that. That's up there by the moon, whatever you can see. Possibly. Moon and Venus, how about that? Would you just look at it? And that sunset. There's the Capitol here in San Juan. Capitol building looks like it's under construction. Well, not under construction, but under renovation. Willow Forks. Del Moro's over there.